Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dr. Rankin here with South Metro Wellness Clinic. It is a beautiful winter day. We're supposed to get a quarter of an inch of a dusting of snow here in Minnesota, in Burnsville. The roads were not slick. They weren't icy, just a little bit of snow on top, but in some of our parking lots it still has been icy in certain areas, so please use extreme caution when you are going out running your errands today. And speaking of which, if you have time in your busy schedule, there's one specific errand you should probably add to your schedule, and that would be adding a massage into your life. So today we're going to go back over and review some of the updates to our massage program. Last week we talked about the massage cream. We also talked about the aromatherapy massage oils that we were going to be using. We did have a hiccup in the schedule. We are going to be still using rose and orange. Lemongrass we've exchanged in for lemon myrtle, because lemongrass was not able to be reproduced here in the last quarter four of 2020, just due to availability of ingredients. So we made a slight detour there, but it's still going to be the same thing and the same effect. One of the effects of massage therapy I didn't talk about last week that I wanted to touch on here, especially with winter time and people spending more time indoors and more time away from people, just in general, regardless of anything else, it just tends to be the season where people hibernate a little bit more. There's a certain psychological factor that we learn in massage therapy school and chiropractic school as well, which is the laying on of the hands, depending on however you want to look at the picture. If you want to think of it this way or like this or this way, one of the two, one of the three, doesn't matter. The laying on of the hands has a certain connection with the human condition, and it has a lot of very positive beneficial positive feedback as far as what we feel, what we think, who we are. And the laying on of the hands just provides that connection. So you're connected with your therapy, and you're also connected with the whole health and healing process rather than just taking medication. Furthermore, if you are a person who struggles with anxiety, depression, isolation, or any type of mental health condition that could be exacerbated by the winter months, massage therapy and chiropractic care is a very, very valuable tool that you can use to reduce those symptoms or those types of feelings that you're having, rather than turning to medications or more medications if you're finding that the medication is less effective. A lot of times with the length of daylight still being shorter, having more snow on the ground, having less sunlight, it just tends to exacerbate those types of symptoms and leave patients in those conditions feeling a little bit more vulnerable. With the laying on of the hands and having that positive loop and that positive feedback, it eliminates or at least reduces the need for further medication. Sometimes when you're using pharmaceuticals to treat any type of ailment that you may have, whether it's between your ears or in one of your organs, it doesn't necessarily matter. Those medications can have long-term effects, and they can also have aggressive effects. There is nothing about health and healing that involves chiropractic or massage that has an aggressive effect. The only effect is better health and happier health and better healing time. So that's another thing I wanted to add and think about. Angel is working on continuing education with head massage, which is also going to be beneficial for increasing circulation. It is also working with the crown chakra, so also help creating positive energy and positive self-esteem and self-inner reflection, which I think is another quality benefit for massage that you get for free on top of your benefits with the rest of the benefits with massage, which is a fantastic way to go. I personally enjoy those as well. Also, I'm a reflexology patient myself on my honor here, which is stimulating the nerve endings in the feet to work with internal organs to help clear up digestive issues, sometimes skin issues, sometimes hyperanxiety, all kinds of other things that go along with that. And working with not just the feet, but with the hands, which is essentially the same concept, but it is a little bit different approach, which is a newer concept in massage therapy, which our massage therapist Angel here is going to be working on as well. So those are some updates. As a review, the laying on of the hands, the changes in the aromatherapy from lemongrass to lemon myrtle, and then the psychological effect as well, and reducing other symptoms that typically just tend to stick with us a little bit tighter with the human condition in winter time here in Minnesota. Even though it's not sunny, it's still a very, very beautiful day. So with that, happy health and healing to you. Please use caution when you're out on the roadway with other drivers. Traffic is low in our area right now, but wherever you're at, wherever you might be viewing this, it could be a different day. So I wish you all the best with your health and healing journey, and we will see you guys next week.